Dear students, let's make a revision of the chapter power, brief revision of the chapter power sharing through my PowerPoint presentation. Power sharing. We have discussed the case of both Belgium and France. Power sharing is an arrangement wherein all the major segments of the society are provided with a permanent share of power. See the case of Belgium, where both the Dutch and French were living, Dutch 59%, French 40%. There was a tension between the French and the Dutch as the former were quite rich and powerful. However, this tension was resolved through the power sharing arrangement in Belgium. You can see it. Power sharing arrangement in Belgium. Equal number of ministers from Dutch and French. No single community can make decision unilaterally. Transfer of power from center to the state. Separate government in Brussels. Formation of community government. All these arrangements were made in Belgium, which averted the situation of conflict and confrontation in Belgium. And then the case of Sri Lanka, where due to the ill-conceived policy of government, civil war started. In Sri Lanka, we find ethnic composition of Sinhala, 74% Tamil. Tamil has two groups, Sri Lankan Tamils and Indian Tamils, who used to follow Hinduism and Islam. They speak Tamil language. But tension started in Sri Lanka, unlike Belgium, because in 1956, an act was passed which recognized Sinhala as the only official language. Government followed preferential policies. New constitution stated that state will foster Buddhism. The Tamil felt themselves to be discriminated and segregated in Sri Lanka. As a result of which, we find that the condition of Tamil became very precarious, very miserable, and they started launching political parties and struggle for recognizing Tamil as an official language. They started making a demand for autonomy. One political organization was formed which was known as Liberation of Tamil Tiger Elam, which started making a demand for a separate homeland for Tamils in the north and eastern part of Sri Lanka. And this organization later on adopted the terrorist activities to put pressure upon the government for the fulfillment of their demand, which created a great situation of bloodsheds. Civil war started in Sri Lanka, resulting into the killings of 80,000 to 1 lakh people. Many innocent people lost their lives. Thousands of people of both the communities have been killed. Sri Lanka civil war was started because the government did not follow the policy of power sharing. We can say in one way that civil war in Sri Lanka was the result of the lacking of power sharing.